Hi friends, it's Katie and
Katie,
and you're watching a
Katie.
So essentially, if you've never watched a Katie and Katie video before, these videos are whereby we chat to you about things that have inspired us in the week and things that have just helped us take on life. We've worked together for the last 10 years building Beauty in the Boutique, but more importantly, we're really good friends and we're each other's sounding board, aren't we?
Yeah, very much so.
So something that we've been trialing this week that has really been helping us is a technique when you boil the kettle.
Now, sounds weird, I know.
It sounds weird, but it really works. And for us especially, because I like to have a hot drink every other hour. So when you go to make a hot drink, flip on the kettle, and between the kettle flipping on and it boiling, you're going to use that tiny segment of time to do calm breathing. You can breathe in for the count of 4 and out for the count of 7. Now, don't worry if you get the numbers wrong. Essentially, your in breath just has to be shorter than your out breath. And breathing like this, just for a minute or two, will instantly lower your heart rate, give you feelings of calm, and be an instant stress reliever.
Yeah, and the fact that you also get a nice hot drink at the end. I mean, there is actually scientifically proven that, you know, like when you have a hot bath and you feel really warm and content when you come out the bath. You're never stressed when you come out of the bath.
Come out of the hot bath, you always feel happier, you feel relaxed.
Yeah,
I love that
absolutely.
feeling.
They said that actually a hot, sweet drink can give you the same feelings as a hot warm bath drink.
Oh, I love that. The other thing I really like, when you have your hot drink, if it's as long as it's not too hot, hold it and be a little bit mindful. When I say mindful, take in like, nice hot drink, you know, really kind of visualize it as being like a little virtual hug, almost saying to you, you can get through today.
You can do it.
You can do it. And then sip it and then go, I can.
You could, or you could just really hold it, relax.
Or you could just be normal. Anyway, we really want you to try this technique because we've been doing it and it has really helped, and we hope it works for you too. If you've got a suggestion for something that you do that gives you an instant feeling of calm, share it with us. I know other people in the Beauty in the Boutique community would love to know it too. Let's help each other. And we'll see you soon for another
Katie
video. Bye.
Bye.